Hello, and welcome again to another time-ticking YouTube video. Today, we're going to be discussing the history of the Mickey Mouse watch in some detail. So, stick around through this intro, and we'll get right to it with you. Being no strangers to branding, licensing, and marketing, the Walt Disney Company has lent its name and many of its characters to a wide variety of toys, trinkets, and other merchandise. This is something that Disney has done for nearly a century. And all variety aside, one particular player in their branding history tends to be the leader of them all, the Mickey Mouse watch. As a practical piece of time-telling marketing, the Mickey Mouse watch has become part of the greater narrative of American industry and success. As well, it was Disney's first major breakthrough in the early days of their licensing endeavors. Coming to the market at a time of great economic strife during the Great Depression, Mickey's marriage to timekeeping helped keep both Disney and the watch company that first kicked off their union from the brink. The overall story of the Mickey Mouse watch is an incredibly fascinating historical vignette, but the initial conception of Mickey Mouse alone was already a feat in and of itself. Before Mickey Mouse hit the marketing scene, initial sketches of cartoon mice literally surrounding Walt Disney's head were first drawn up by his animation partner Hugh Harman of the animation team UB Iwerks in 1925. This original spark would later inspire Walt Disney to create America's most famous mouse. Originally slated to be named Mortimer Mouse, which was later changed to Mickey at the behest of Walt's wife Lillian, this steamboat riding rodent had a humble start. With the success of Mickey's brother Oswald the Lucky Rabbit in 1927, Disney and his Iwerks animation partners began working on Mickey Mouse by the following year. Since Walt had lost money on selling the rights to Oswald, he decided to make Mickey a more profitable venture for both himself and his partner, his brother Roy Disney. Being initially strapped for cash, the first merchandising deal Disney made 4 years before any watch was with a Mickey-struck stranger in a hotel lobby. This gentleman was crafting writing tablets for school children and bought the first licensing rights from Walt Disney for just $300, worth about $4,400 today. After the general success of Steamboat Willie from 1928 to 1929, a few more syndication and marketing deals were struck, but a key partner came into the picture in 1932, and this partner would fundamentally change Disney's marketing game in the coming decades. Indeed, the Mickey Mouse watch branding idea was devised by a marketing guru named Herman K. Kamen. In 1932, Kamen signed a 50-50 split deal with the Disney Brothers for all licensing profits. Effective immediately, K. Kamen put himself to work on what would be one of the most successful merchandising enterprises in history. With an extensive marketing background, charismatic demeanor, and business-savvy mind, Kamen was able to make connections with plethora companies on behalf of Disney. With multiple takers already in tow, the first major success in marketing was the Mickey Mouse watch. As it were, K. Kamen struck a deal with Ingersoll Waterbury Watches within the first year of his partnership with Walt and Roy Disney. At the time, Ingersoll Waterbury was on the brink of financial collapse. However, Kamen's licensing deal with their brand put both Mickey and Ingersoll on the wrists and in the pockets of millions of Americans. This deal effectively saved the Ingersoll brand and put millions of dollars into Disney's coffers, selling at $3.25 a pop, then eventually $2.95 per watch. The wristwatch version of these timepieces ended up being the most popular. However, at $1.50 a piece, the pocket watch version of these watches also fared quite well, and is now more collectible than the more mass-produced wristwatches. Forward from the 1930s, the Mickey Mouse watch continued in sales popularity. Eventually becoming US Time, then Timex, the Ingersoll Timex brand carried Mickey Mouse watches until 1971. In 1972, another big Disney character stepped into the world of watches, Goofy. The Hellbros designed Disney watches featuring Goofy's arms as the hands, much akin to the Mickey watches, were reversed in the movement to make the hands go backwards for comedic effect. With some time, many watch brands, including the original Ingersoll brand, began re-releasing Mickey Mouse watches. By the 1990s and up until today, other companies such as Elgin, Loris, Seiko, Fossil, Colibri, and Disney Timeworks have all put their own unique twist on the Mickey Mouse style. The continued manufacture of Mickey Mouse and Disney watches is a testament to the Disney company's original merchandising success. Their partnership with Kay Kamen in the early 1930s and a successful history of creative animation have cemented their brand into the greater narrative of American success. With some original timepieces auctioning in the thousands, Mickey Mouse watches haven't lost their potency as collectible timepieces. Even to this day, some high-end luxury brands even feature the happy-go-lucky poster child of Disney on their dials. So, if you happen to find yourself wearing a newer version of a Mickey watch, or if you have an original Ingersoll, keep it close. They continue to hold their value over time. Likewise, they will surely continue to hold fast as Disney moves into its second century of entertainment and timekeeping. Hello, and thanks for watching our YouTube video today. If you enjoyed it, please give it a like, and you can find similar videos right here. For more new and interesting content from Timesticking on our channel, please subscribe at the link here. And for more information about wristwatch repair and watch maintenance generally, you can find us at timesticking.com. Thanks so much and have a great day.